Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2012 Volkswagen Polo, stock number 6432. This ran from the 5th 2010 to the 5th 2014. It has a CAYB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CAYB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 15-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no damage. Left rear door no damage. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard no dents. Right front 15-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.